Hello guys, welcome to the new series that I am going to be beginning to start on this YouTube channel called CSGO Market Watch, where I take a look at the markets on a weekly basis. I do my personal analysis and find out what is going on, what prices are going up, what's going down. Now before I would like to start this video, I'd like to bring up the 5x RA Revolver Amber Fade giveaway that I am having, that I announced last month. I will be picking the winner next week. I'll leave the video link in the description. Make sure to go click that and leave a comment below to get entered. Without a further move, let us move on with CSGO Market Watch. Taking a look here, guys, we're gonna check out the new Prisma 2 case that just dropped yesterday or today, depending where you is at. Now this Prisma 2 case was currently just released. My personal analysis on this is that the price is going to be dropping in the near future, in the foreseeable future, evidently, just like any other new case collection that has released with CSGO, unless these are very rare, but I doubt it, as the Prisma 1 case wasn't as rare and it was as a drop just like this one is. Same thing's probably gonna happen with the Prisma 2, is prices might just stay up here for a little bit until we get a whole lot of drops, and then a lot of people are gonna want to sell these for lower and lower and lower just to make the profit. That's gonna result in a lot of the price just plummeting down. As you see here, the case dropped yesterday, started at 30. It's already a third of what it was yesterday. I predict that at the end of the week it's gonna be less than $5 easily. I do not recommend buying them at this current price. I think that's a little bit crazy, paying almost $9-10 for a Prisma 2 case. I'd hold back for just a bit, maybe a week or two, before purchasing or getting the Prisma 2 case. Moving on to the next item in CSGO Market Watch, and next item that is being listed here on the Steam community market, we got the Shattered Web case. Okay, this one's an interesting one now. With the end of Shattered Web, we see the Shattered Web case price skyrocketing here. As you see here, yesterday Shattered Web case is being sold for 99 cents, and today doubling in price easily. Anybody who bought this beforehand is now profitable, so cheers to y'all. I still think that this price is gonna keep on going up because these Operation Shattered Web cases are no longer droppable, no longer obtainable or unlockable. There's obviously gonna be a lot of them on a lot of accounts and stuff like that. A lot of people are gonna have them, so the price right here might drop down from $2 just for like a week or two, but I expect the price to keep rising in the future, in the near future, in the long-term future. I expect these cases to at least be like 3 minimum, and long-term I expect these to at least maybe surpass 5, get to the 6 point. It depends on how much quantity of these will be bought out and how much quantity will be left. Anyway, talking about the quantity of the Shattered Web cases and how they're drastically dropping from a point which used to be at 100k is looking to be kinda scarce here. 73k current quantity of Shattered Web case containers. Moving on, Operation Breakout Weapon case. Now we see a little bit of a rise with these boys. Just June of last year, the motherfucking Operation Breakout Weapon case was selling for 10 cents, and nowadays it is going for 60 cents a piece or more. As we see all these sales coming in, 66, 69, 70, you know what I'm saying? I know how to count English, yes. So yeah, crazy increase on the lifetime graph. Looking at the monthly graph here, we don't see much. We actually see a decline in price from these cases. My personal opinion on why this is declining in price is because of the Shattered Web cases and also the Prisma 2 cases. A lot of people are going for those. Operation Breakout case not doing too well recently. In the long term, we do see a rise, and I definitely expect this case to surpass the dollar point after the summertime. Mark my words. And if it doesn't, then it's probably gonna be 99 cents. Glove case. You know what? I have some interesting words for the glove case here. Weekly chart, we see dropping a couple cents. That doesn't really matter. Monthly chart, we see the same kind of thing that happened with the Operation Breakout case graph. We see this rise and then this drop during the end of the month. Now I think this is also because people are trying to sell their skins, trying to get the Operation Shattered Web cases, motherfucking stars, motherfucking whatever they want to do, trade ups, whatever. And also the Prisma 2 case collection is out now, so that means a lot of people are going to want the skins from that collection too. Meaning a lot of people are going to sell their skins, blah 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 blah, meaning that also crate prices are going to go down, but this will not affect them forever. Looking at the long-term graph here, we see a rise similar to what the Operation Breakout rise was, seeing a stagnant 3 cent price for a very, very long time, years and years, until October 10th. We see a little price spike, and then it goes back to 10 cents, and then start of the new year, we see a little rise here to 30 cents, and now it's just chilling at 21.30. Now with the glove case, my interesting words for this case is it's a good investment long term. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm saying. Moving on, up 8th risk, we got a skin here in the market. All right, let's check out some skins, shall we? Move on from the cases. Checking out the weekly graph here, starting off at $6, seen a spike at the end of the month. Now that's very interesting. We've seen a spike at the end of the month, and then a sudden drop at the end of the month too. Just very odd. What could I say about this? Let's look at the monthly graph. Let's see. So it looks like it's been stagnant at around like $6. It looks like it's been stagnant for the whole month here, with a couple spikes during the end of the month. Looking at the lifetime graph, obviously starting off how most skin drops start off, going down, seeing the drop, finding how much the skin is actually worth. Have a little rise here to 7 from 5, back down to 6, and the skin's been 6 for a long time now, but recently we've seen from 6 to 8. Now that's just a recent spike, and that's probably the highest it's been in a long time, boys. A lot of skins going up, going down. Gee, what the frick? It said 0 quantity of the skin. That was really weird. Anyway, moving on from the op 8th risk, we got Special Agent Ava. That's my boy. Special Agent Ava, I have a feeling, is gonna go up. I think the agents from the Shattered Web collection are going to be going up as long as they don't drop new agents soon. Definitely they're probably going to do it with the new operation, and that's when you should sell these agents. But for now, I think it's a good time to invest into some of these agents, maybe make quick bucks in the next coming few weeks or months. Yeah, looking at the graph here, previous video I said it was going up, down drastically, but I did say that it was going to go back up, and it indeed went back up, and now it is just at a consolidation period. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I sound like a retard. Moving on, we got Dr. Romanov Saber. Now he's pretty much similar to Ava. I don't want to talk forever about these agents. Might be a good time to invest in them. Ending off the market watch here, we got Danger Zone case. Now this case has pretty much been at the lowest point of the lowest points recently, as when this first dropped, it was worth probably 20-30 cents around how much the glove case is, but now really low in value. It's like 5 to 10 cents, and I'm not sure if it's a good investment. There is still a lot of quantity on the market, so I'd leave that one just chill for now. Maybe keep a watch on it. But thank you guys for watching. This has been Market Watch, and see you on the next one. Peace!